If you are wondering how taxes work, I'm glad that you found this video because I'm here to show you. And I'll do that using a simple method, which is the bucket colored filling. And in this video, we're going to cover two scenarios: when married filing jointly and single filing. So let's start with our income, which is 100K per year in this example. And after that, we have IRS tax brackets. But before all the tax brackets, we have the standard deduction, which for married filing jointly is 31,500, which is kind of like a discount or a gift that you are being given by the IRS, which means that they cannot touch that money for tax purposing. And that is the bucket that we are going to fill first. And after that, we have our real taxable income, which is 100K reduced by 31,000, which gives us with a total taxable income of 68,500 that will be real taxed using the next steps, which are the tax brackets. The first tax bracket is 10%, and when married filing jointly, it can hold up to $33,850. And we are going to fill that first. That is the first bucket that is taxable. And after fill that, we have now a remaining amount of money to be taxed with a total of $44,650. We are going to cover now the second tax bracket, which is 12% tax bracket, and that holds after the 10%, that the 23,000-ish up to $96,950, which means that this 12% tax bucket can hold up to 33,000K, but we have only 44,000 to put in that, and that's our next step. You can see now that our income bucket is empty, which means that even though we have in this example a 22% tax bracket, we are not going to fill that out. In other words, your 100K income is not being taxed by 22% because, well, the 10% and 12% brackets were enough, and that's what will be considered when filing your taxes married jointly. But now let's put the taxes in place. How much is being taxed from each of those buckets? 0% for the standard deduction, they cannot touch that. $2,385 for the first 10% tax bracket, and $5,358 for the 12% tax bracket. 0% for the 22% tax bracket, and that gives you a total amount being taxed of $7,743. And now look at this scenario: when you are filing your tax returns, tax season, you don't have to pay all the taxes by the end of the year because your employer does that on your behalf. They make withholdings and they give this money to the IRS. So now during the tax returns tax season, the IRS will compare how much you should have paid against how much your employer paid on your behalf. So let's say that your employer is taking this amount every month from your paycheck, and during the tax return season, if the IRS notice that your employer paid less than they should have paid, now you have to pay the IRS back using the money from your bank account. On the other hand, if your employer paid more than you should have paid on your behalf, now the IRS will give you this money back to your bank account. It's not free money, it's not a gift, it's just a return because you overpaid then, and now they are checking this through the tax returns during tax season. And now when single filing, the standard deduction is $15,750 US, and again that is filing first. Your standard deductions always first, and after that our remaining taxable income now is $84,250 US. We are going again to fill out the first 10% tax bracket. In this case, it can hold up to $11,925, and the remaining amount after this first 10% tax bracket is $22,325. And this amount has to go to the second tax bracket, which can hold up to 36,000-ish US. So we are putting 72K in a 36K bucket. So by that, you already realize that we will need to go to the 22% tax bracket, which did not happen when married filing jointly. After that, our remaining amount is $35,776 US. And in this case, our final bucket of 22% can hold up to 54K-ish. So let's do that. The final bucket would be almost full in this case. And now you might have noticed that when filing single against filing married jointly, the 22% tax bracket, we used that while we didn't in the previous section. Let's go to the numbers. The total amount taxed in here was 0% for the standard deduction. Again, they cannot touch that money. Then $1,192 for the first 10% tax bracket, $4,386 US for the 12% tax bracket, and $7,871 US from the 22% tax bracket, which is a huge amount of money, and that gives a total amount taxed of $30,449 US. And for the filing single is the same. If you overpay the IRS, they will give you back this money. If it was underpaid, you have to pay them back. That is the tax returns, tax season moment to do that. So I hope you understood that using this simple method of the bucket filling colored, so showing all the tax brackets. Don't forget to hit subscribe and stay tuned for more videos like this. Comment down in the link below, and remember, Uncle's son wants your taxes, but Anderson wants your success.